In today's fast-paced world, the ability to take matters into your own hands has become increasingly valuable. This extends to personal grooming, including the skill of cutting your own hair. Whether you're looking to save time, money, or simply enjoy the convenience of a DIY haircut, learning how to cut your own hair can be a rewarding and empowering experience. While it may seem daunting at first, with the right guidance and approach, you can successfully achieve a satisfactory haircut in the comfort of your own home. This comprehensive guide aims to provide you with a step-by-step process to help you navigate through the art of cutting your own hair. Throughout this guide, we will explore essential steps and techniques to ensure a successful self-haircut. From gathering the necessary tools to understanding different cutting methods, we will walk you through the process in a comprehensive manner. It's important to note that cutting your own hair requires patience, practice, and a willingness to learn. The results may not be identical to a professional salon cut, but with time and experience, you can achieve a hairstyle that suits your needs and preferences. Remember, cutting your own hair provides an opportunity for creativity and experimentation. It allows you to tailor your haircut according to your individual style and desired outcome. You have the freedom to try different techniques, add layers, or maintain a simple, straightforward trim. While this guide aims to equip you with the necessary knowledge, it's essential to recognize your own limitations. If you are uncertain or seeking a more complex haircut, it's advisable to consult a professional hairdresser who can provide expert guidance and precision. Now, let's delve into the step-by-step process of cutting your own hair. By following these comprehensive instructions and practicing patience, you can gain confidence in your ability to achieve a well-groomed and stylish haircut from the comfort of your own home. Embrace the opportunity for self-expression and enjoy the sense of accomplishment that comes with mastering the art of cutting your own hair. Step 1. Gather the necessary tools. Collect the essential tools for a successful haircut, including sharp hair cutting scissors, hair clippers if desired, a comb, hair clips, a handheld mirror, and a cape or towel to protect your clothing. Step 2. Decide on the desired hairstyle. Determine the style you want to achieve before starting the haircut. Consider factors such as length, layers, and overall shape. It's helpful to have reference pictures or videos to guide you. Step 3. Prepare your hair. Wash and thoroughly dry your hair before cutting. Wet hair is easier to manipulate and provides a more accurate representation of the final result. Comb through any tangles or knots to ensure even cutting. Step 4. Section your hair. Divide your hair into manageable sections using hair clips or hair ties. This separation makes it easier to focus on one section at a time and ensures a more even cut. Step 5. Start with small cuts. Begin with small, conservative cuts rather than taking off large chunks. Remember, you can always trim more if needed. But it's difficult to fix a drastic cut. Take your time and proceed slowly. Step 6. Trim the ends. Start by trimming the ends of your hair. Hold the section between your fingers and cut horizontally across. Trim small amounts at a time, checking for symmetry and balance as you go. Step 7. Create layers if desired. If you want to add layers to your hair, use the point cutting technique. Hold a section of hair vertically and point the scissors towards the hair. Make small, upward snips to create texture and dimension. Step 8. Address the sides and back using handheld mirrors. Carefully trim the sides and back of your hair. Take small sections at a time and compare the length to ensure consistency. Use the mirror to check the overall shape and make any necessary adjustments. Step 9. Refine and blend. Once the main sections are cut, remove the hair clips or ties and let your hair down. Comb through to ensure the lengths are blended and even. Make any final adjustments to create a seamless look. Step 10. Style your hair after cutting. Style your hair as desired. Blow dry, curl, or straighten your hair to see the final result. Use styling products to add volume, texture, or hold. Conclusion: congratulations! You have reached the end of this comprehensive guide on how to cut your own hair. By following the step-by-step process outlined in this guide, you have acquired the knowledge and confidence to embark on your DIY hair cutting journey. Cutting your own hair can be a liberating and empowering experience. It allows you to take control of your personal grooming, experiment with different styles, and save time and money. While it may seem intimidating at first, with practice and patience, you can achieve impressive results. Remember, cutting your own hair requires a steady hand, attention to detail, and a willingness to learn from each experience. Be prepared for a learning curve as you become more familiar with the techniques, tools, and your own hair's unique characteristics. While you may not achieve salon-level perfection immediately, embrace the opportunity for creativity and self-expression. Use this experience to develop your own personal style and experiment with different looks. Remember, hair grows back, and each haircut is a chance to refine your skills and try something new. As you embark on your self-haircutting journey, keep in mind some important tips. Start with small trims, use sharp scissors and appropriate tools, take breaks if needed, and always step back and assess your progress. Be patient with yourself and don't be afraid to ask for help or seek professional guidance when necessary. Remember that mistakes may happen, but they can often be corrected or will grow out over time. Embrace the process, learn from your experiences, and enjoy the satisfaction of mastering this valuable skill. By cutting your own hair, you have the freedom to maintain your look, experiment with trends, and make grooming a convenient and personalized experience. Embrace the confidence that comes with being able to take care of your own hair, and enjoy the sense of accomplishment that accompanies a successful DIY haircut. So, gather your tools, take a deep breath, and get ready to explore the world of self-haircutting. With practice and perseverance, you can achieve a stylish and well-groomed look that reflects your individuality. Embrace your newfound skill, and let your creativity shine through every cut. Now, go forth and master the art of cutting your own hair. Good luck, and happy hairstyling!